Now I know you're what I needed. I believe you, it's no secret.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. Actually, this girl on Instagram, Hasina Samadi, she kind of requested a Bella Hadid inspired look, and I actually was planning on doing that another day, and then somewhere along the way we ended up with this Bella Hadid inspired makeup look. Was that lipstick on my teeth? I hope you enjoy. Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Going to search some Spanish words here and there because I'm watching, well, I actually finished watching Casa de Papel and I always get so hyped up. And now I'm watching, I don't know how to pronounce it, vis-a-vis? I have no idea. But it's a Spanish series and it's about women in jail. And the reason why I watch it is because Netflix, first of all, recommended. But when it was recommended, I saw Nairobi from Casa, you know, in the trailer. And I was like, I have to watch it and it's really good. For some reason, I'm always attracted to killer women, the missing, I don't know, women who play with fire, women who killed their husbands. But I don't have this dark side and I'm actually very happily married. But for some reason, I'm attracted to, I don't know, weird stuff. A quick update. I haven't prepared at all. I have to film, edit this video, upload it tonight. So this is very mucho live, kind of live. And yeah, I still haven't bought a new chair. On the day when I wanted to look for new chairs, first of all, it was super hot, but I was like, I need it because the sound really annoys me and I feel very fat. He's very extremely spontaneous. So he thought, this is so annoying. He thought that a lounge for our garden was a little bit more important. And I was like, he thought it was not important as his lounge. But since I'm an independent woman, I'm going to check for a chair for myself tomorrow. Mañana. Going to start by using this new Hangover Good in Bed serum from Too Faced. I love the whole Hangover collection. And I've used this once, I think. And it felt very hydrated. Hangover Skin Protecting Moisturizer with SPF 25. Also guys, we are growing. My channel is growing. If you're not subscribed already, please help a sis out and subscribe and like this video. Well, actually, you cannot really like something if you haven't watched it yet. Makeup Forever HD Foundation in 345. I'm not sure if this is going to be my shade because it looks a bit light. It's too light. I don't want to. I said I was not prepared. Karma. Okay, I'm going to mix this a little bit with Dewy and Smooth from Maybelline. This is one of my favorite foundations. Haven't used this in a long time. Okay, remember, we're not going to use too much foundation. This is already too much, but I'm just going to blend it on my face. This foundation is a dream when you have dry skin. It's so super glowy. I would do something like this, like I would use this foundation on its own, maybe just a tiny bit of powder. So I have a few foundation sticks from Mulak in my hand. I've never tried these, but I think I'm going to use these for, you know, contouring, to cream contour. It's actually a pretty warm shade, but I'm still going to give it a try. This is Jennifer 07. I think it's a good shade to kind of like bronze and contour at the same time. Okay, I'm taking this beautiful, gorgeous brush. This is from BH Cosmetics number 3. I think this was from the Festival collection. And I'm going to blend my contour. So if this happens, this actually means that I put too much. I just go in with my foundation brush and kind of clean it up again. Okay, so I'm a bit confused now. On one hand, I feel like I look very orange. But on the other, I feel like I'm like this bronze goddess from Hawaii. You know what I mean? So let's see. If I still think I look very orange, especially right here, I think I'm going in with a cooler toned powder bronzer. As usual, natural beige concealer from Too Faced. Still my fave. I'm going to blend this real quick. You guys know I love to kind of like double highlight. So I'm going to use my porcelain color, also from the concealer from Too Faced. And I'm going to highlight some parts of my face. All right, there. So for this, I'm just using my foundation brush to blend it. So I'm going to use my favorite bronzer. You guys can probably guess what it is. Excuse me. I'm going to use this Jouer powder in deep. Yeah, no, in dark. And this is my BH Cosmetics brush in number 4. I'm just going to set it and accentuate it a little bit more. Not everyone is going to be a fan of this warm contour bronze theme, but I can tell you, me like it. Me like it. Quickly going to do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. I did my brows and now I'm going to bake with this Fenty Beauty powder. I think this is in shade Lavender. I'm going to take my puff. Now I'm just going to bake. Very quickly going to bake the places where we've highlighted, but just like literally for 30 seconds or so. And in my nose just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this. Okay, now I'm going to get rid of this and this. So my first intention was to do kind of like a blank under eye area and then just like not really a wing but more like a winged eyeshadow on top, so it looks very cat eye-ish. But now I feel like, should we do like the Bella Hadid recreation? I think she looked stunning. She had a very matte warm base, kind of similar to this one, and then she had like a beautiful taupe kind of eyeshadow going on with some glitters, and it looked beautiful too. But then I feel like, maybe I should wear my blue contacts with that. Going to use this powder in Deep from Jouer and my BH Cosmetics brush in number 7. I think I'm just going for the Bella look. Bella inspired, let's do that. Now I'm going to take this color right here from the Natasha Denona Gold palette, and I'm still using the same brush. I'm just going to blend it a little bit more with this shadow. And she had, I think she was in daylight or it was like a very warm studio lighting, but her makeup looked absolutely beautiful. I think there was a filter on her because everything looked very blurry, so it might not look, you know, exactly the same. Okay, now I'm going in with my fingers. I'm going to grab these two. I'm going to place this on my eyelid. I'm also using this beautiful color right here, and I'm just going in with my hands because her look looked very glittery. I'm using the darker brown shade in this palette, and I'm going to create a little bit of a shadow. I'm going to touch my lower lash line with this same color. I'm quickly going to wear my blue contacts because I feel like I'm not really sure how the end result is going to look like if I don't know how it looks like with blue contacts. So I'll be right back. So I almost don't recognize myself, but now I feel like, yeah, I can do it better. I'm going to take this Pretty Cool palette from Dose of Colors. And I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to place that on my lower lash line. Also going to take that color and I'm going to place it right here. Taking a smaller brush, I'm going to mix these two colors and I'm going to put that in the crease. I'm going to use this beautiful, beautiful glitter. This is from Artist Couture by Mac Daddy, and this is Spotlight Glitz. And I'm just going to dab these on my eyeballs. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. Taking my Benefit eye pencil, I'm quickly going to tightline my eyes. Smoke it out just a little bit as if we have a wing, but very tiny wing. I'm going to get rid of this baking. Oh, look how smooth that looks. So I think her blush looked amazing. It was like the perfect matte orange peach color, and I don't think I have a shade like that, but I think this shade will do as well. This one right here, and this is the, I don't know this brand by the way, this is Alamar Cosmetics. Do you guys know this? It was in the Boxy Charm box. So anyways, I'm going in with this Seclusion color, and her blush came all the way up to here. So it was as if she was like really sun-kissed. She had like this beautiful blended blush. For highlighter, I'm going to use Champagne Pop, which I haven't used in a very long time. I'm not going to apply too much because her base was quite matte looking. For lips, I'm going to use my Stripped Down lip liner from MAC. She had very glittery, glossy lips, and I know exactly what to use for that. Now I'm going to use the tiniest bit of this Too Faced Matte Metallic in You Better Work. And then for gloss, we're going to use this beautiful gloss from Artist Couture in Climax. Oh, she had extremely glossy lips, and it looks kind of similar to this. There you go. This is my version of Bella Hadid's inspired makeup look. I do think mine looks a little bit more glam because I'm not really sure if she's wearing fake lashes. I think she's just wearing a little bit of mascara. I would definitely wear this look, and I do think that is a beautiful look for brides as well. Like, imagine me like wearing a white dress right now. I think it will look amazing, especially if you have blue eyes. It's just going to really pop out your eye color. Now I'm quickly going to get my ass to the edit room, edit this video, upload it for you guys. And I have the weirdest hairline ever. That's why I never wear my hair like backwards. It's just weird. Anyways, I hope you guys like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, hit that notification bell, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.